When the door opened, the stench of rotting flesh hit hard. And inside the fridge, piled neatly, were human body parts frozen and silent. Japan, 2017. Takehiro Sheishi. He posted on Twitter looking for someone to die with. Desperate souls, clinging to hope, came to him. But the moment they met, he snuffed out their lives. Sheishi strangled his victims, then dismembered their bodies in his bathroom. Severed arms, legs, heads, all packed carefully into coolers and a fridge. The entire apartment hall reeked of death. Neighbors reported the smell. When police raided his place, they found plastic bags stained with blood and coolers filled with frozen human remains. With a cold smile, he said, "If I had hidden the smell, I wouldn't have been caught." Frozen horror. He trapped 9 souls forever inside icy boxes.